going to write you a letter. When I turn the page, I'd have the courage, yeah. And it's tough to let go even after all of this time. You are the reason why I'm fucked up, was drugged up. I looked up 'cause I believed in all those lies, that you loved me, you never loved me. I don't know how to accept that what you did still colors me black. And it's got me like, I feel so, made this void now, you don't look back. And it's got me like, I feel so, let's let you there. Let's let you there. What you did still colors me black. And it's got me like, feel so, made this void now, you don't look back. It's and I still see you smiling when you said to me, don't be a crybaby. And I've been told that you moved now, even though I still feel the echoes. I'm fucked up and I can't love myself now. I live like I always lies, that I'm not enough, though you're not enough. I just want to shout it out, that what you did still colors me black. And it's got me like, I feel so, I made this void now, you don't look back. And it's got me like, I feel so, let's want you there. Let's let you there. That what you did.
I'm doing alright, but nobody knows that I fall and sell my soul. My heart is just broken, can't hold words unspoken, but I will be okay. Yeah, I'm just falling to my darkness. Whoa, I could fight my sharpness. Whoa, I could find my love, spending days only in trouble. Please forget the trouble. My heart says okay, but I feel the rumble. I can't blame myself for not being perfect. I want the push myself to the limit. I don't give myself a minute to I wish I was kidding,
But when people look at you say,
I'm doing alright, but nobody knows that I fall and sell my soul. My heart is just broken, can hold words unspoken, but I will be okay. Yeah, I'm just